Welcome, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is measuring the volume of liquids. We studied measuring before, but measuring what? Measuring length. Measuring length by meter and centimeter. 1 meter it's equal 100 centimeter. Okay. We studied also measuring of weight. Measuring of weight by gram and kilogram. 1 kilogram it's equal 1000 gram. Now we will talk about measuring of the volume of liquids. What is the meaning of volume and what is the meaning of liquids? Let's explain this. Here we have some liquids. Some liquid like what? It's like water, like juice, tea, oil, milk, perfume, and so on. That is the meaning of liquid. The liquid takes the shape of the container. What is the meaning of this? If you put some water in the bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. If you put water in the cup, it will take the shape of the cup. That's the meaning of the liquid takes the shape of the container. Okay? So what is the meaning of the volume? The volume means the measurement of how the container holds. This container is hold how much liquid? That is the meaning of volume. So our lesson today, how to measure the volume of the liquid. Okay? We have two units to measure the volume of the liquid. The first one is milliliter. Milliliter is used for what? Is used for small amount. Small amount like what? Like the perfume in the bottle or the medicine in the injection. It's a small amount, okay? And liter is used for large amount. Large amount like what? Like the water in the bottle or the milk in the bottle. 1 liter it's equal 1000 milliliter. Again, 1 liter it's equal 1000 milliliter. Here we have 3 cups, 3 graduated cups. Okay, it's graduated like ruler to measure the volume of the liquid. The first one is graduated up to 1000 milliliter. If the cup is graduated up to 1000 milliliters, so we will skip counting by 50. We will skip counting by what? By 50. Here, he want to measure the volume of this liquid. Let's measure it together. 250, we will skip counting by what? We will skip counting by 50. So it's 250, 300, it's up to what? 350. So the volume of this liquid is 350 milliliter. Second one, this cup is graduated up to 2000 milliliter. Okay, if the cup is graduated up to 2000 milliliter, so we will skip counting by 100. We will skip counting by what? By 100. Okay, here the volume of the liquid it's 1500. No, we will skip counting back by 100, so it will be 1400 milliliter. The next one is graduated up to what? It's graduated up to 1000 milliliter, so we will skip counting by 50. Excellent. Okay, here we have the volume of its liquid 500, 550. It's up to what? It's up to 600 milliliter. Okay. Here we have graduated cylinder. Okay, this graduated cylinder, it's from 0 to 100 milliliter. It's a skip counting by 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, how can I measure the volume of the liquid? The first one, the volume is 20, 21, it's 22. The volume of the first liquid is 22 milliliter. Okay. The second one is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It's up to 9 milliliter. The volume of the third one, can you solve it? It's so easy. Yes, it's 40. The volume of this liquid, it's 40 milliliter. The last one is what? Super. It's 20 milliliter. Okay. Here we have the tool. This measure the volume of the liquid. It's graduated like the ruler. It's graduated from 0 to 100 milliliter Okay, and skip counting by 10, like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 100 milliliter. It's called the graduated cylinder. Again, it's called the graduated cylinder. Here we have a cup. This cup is 10 milliliter. If we pour 2 cups in this graduated cylinder, so the volume of the liquid is what? It will be 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equal 20 milliliter. So the volume of this liquid is 20 milliliter. Okay. Color to reach the required volume. Okay. Here we have graduated cylinder. We will pour 3 cups. Each one is what? Each one is 10 milliliter. That's my key. Okay. يبقى 10 plus 10 plus 10 يبقى the volume of this liquid it will be what? 10 plus 10 plus 10 it will be 30 milliliter. So we will color up to 30 milliliter. This graduated cylinder, we pour 4 cups. Each one is what? Each one is 10 milliliter. If we pour this 4 cups, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, it will be what? We will color up to 40 milliliter. The volume of this liquid, it's 40 milliliter. Okay, thanks for listening.